This earthen pot we had bought last year in summer season to keep water inside it, to keep water cool. And really we love it, and buy it in summer season more than using fridge water. In case of me, fridge water doesn't suit, so I really love this. So last year it served us in different way, but this year it is going to add beauty on my roof. And that's why we have kept it on our roof. Why? Because we are going to plant a plant inside it. Already we have filled it with soil. You can see the soil in my hand. This morning it was raining, and due to rain all the soil is wet, you can see. And I really love, rubbing the soil in this way in my hand, because it reminds my childhood. In childhood I used to play with my friends, with my siblings, with, you know this soil, and making so many statue of goddess Durga, Lord Ganesha, doll, so many things we used to make and play. So it reminds my childhood, and I really love touching the soil in my hand, rubbing it to make me feel great and fresh and confident too. Moreover, I love soil smell, especially in summer season. When all the soil is dry, and when we pour the water, or just that soil get wet by rain, so that time the smell comes out. That is really really great. I feel so great. I love. So in summer season what I do, deliberately I go pour the water on the soil and just smell. I really love that smell. So how many of you also love smell of soil after pouring the water? This rainy season we doesn't get a smell of soil, but in summer season really, I really love that one. So my friend, that's why we have kept it on our roof, because we are going to plant a plant inside it, and this is going to serve us in other way and add value on my roof. So I have 2 3 more another earthen pot, and I would love to show you in this video. So my friend, just be with me till the end. So you can see all the view behind me, how it's looking so beautiful. Now I came to the another earthen pot, and my friend, you can see this another one. We have planted a beautiful flower which is not flowering this time. It will take time, but you can see the plant how it's looking beautiful, healthy, colorful, and we have planted in this way. Another tiny earthen pot I would love to show you, and you can see there is another flower, but in this flower one, what is called kali in English, I don't know. If you know, then you can comment me in comment box. So there is one kali, and this is going to be blossom as a flower very soon. This is the gudhal flower. Okay, and now I would love to show you third one. Okay, so third one is look like this, and we have planted this flower, you can see. So this earthen pot serve us many way. Okay, at my home for planting, for keeping water. Moreover, earlier I have remember at my home some grains also used to be kept inside earthen pot. And in this way we have planted, and these are adding beauty on my roof and have make one area of my roof beautiful, amazing, where I love to come and sit, spend time, create my video because these give us good vibes, good feelings, make us feel energetic. So that's why. And now I would love to show you little bit behind me towards this tree. You must be able to see this tree, neem tree. And my friend, why I am showing you this tree? Because these were my practice partner when I was beginner. Yes, you heard me right. When I was beginner, learning this language alone and had not the confident courage to talk somebody, also had not partner in that time, in that period of time, I had found way of do my speaking practice with this tree. Yes, I used to come here and whatever I used to learn by listening, by reading, just describe in front of this tree and consider them my English practice partner. So that's how, my friend, I used to do speaking practice, and that consistent speaking practice really boosted my confidence. I started feeling confident, and later on I started thinking I should talk, I should practice with other person, I should take a step out of my comfort zone. So my consistent daily speaking practice made me confidence, boosted my confidence, and really I took a step out of my comfort zone. I just not didn't let my fear to hold me, and that's how I started speaking, I started doing practice, and now I'm here creating video for you people. So my friend, why I am telling you about my past, about my past learning experience? See, why I am telling, there are so many learners and all are not the same, same kind of and confident. So I am telling about my experience, my past experience learning days, so that if someone is like me, have not the confident courage, don't want to talk with somebody, so they can also start their speaking practice in this way. Consider any tree, plants, whatsoever at their home, they can make them their practice partner and start doing daily speaking practice, and that's how achieve, fulfill their goal of speaking English, becoming fluent in English. So my friend, if you really find yourself like me, as I was in my beginning days, in my beginning time, so you must start your journey in this way. If you don't feel to talk with somebody just because of lack of confidence, yeah, who don't feel, so start doing speaking practice in this way. Why? Because you can't ignore speaking practice, this is important, and without it you can't achieve your goal of speaking English, so you have to do it. So my friend, that's why I wanted to share, I wanted to tell, and I told you. So now you tell me, how did you like this video, and how this video make you feel? Is it really helpful? If it, then so please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.